Hello, my name is Matt Watkins. I'm with MultiDyne Video and Fiber Optic Systems here at InfoComm 2026. Here to talk to you about our VersaBrix, also called the VB series product line, which is our most popular product line for many different applications. MultiDyne specializes in fiber optic transport solutions and extending your signals long distance over fiber. This is a really cool, highly customizable platform where you can tell us exactly what your signal needs are, and we can build it into a throwdown box, bring it out all over just one single fiber, with options for throwdown, rack mount, wall mount, or even mount it to the bottom of a PTZ camera. There are many different signal type options, from 12G SDI to HDMI, Ethernet, audio, time code, you name it. We have options for remotely powering your camera if it's connected to a camera via PoE++ Type 4. We can even remotely power our box over SMPTE hybrid cabling. And we even have new options for if you're an application where the camera is white, or for any aesthetics, medical, house of worship, if you need to have everything be white, the box itself can even now be made white. Kind of new for the show is we have many different sizes of the boxes depending on your signal transport needs. So what's kind of new is we now have a 2-card box, which is this one right here. So basically just for only a few signals we can have a smaller device for that. It's a really cool platform because if you imagine each of these boxes has different cards. There's a 10 slot, a 6 slot, a 4 slot, and the new 2 slot. You can just tell us what your signal needs are, and it can be built exactly to your specific needs. So you can learn more about that, as well as our online configurator where you can build your own box on our website, multidyne.com. Thanks very much.